Someone was right. This is looking like a really just long torn intro, dude. We have to change something up.
Percent. So I kind of get it.
I don't really think that's the same as Keith John chewing his song's already chewed up.
It's not the same thing?
Oh, there was a Starbucks that way. Siang minuter van Nick Sifra.
Well, you really gotta figure this out early.
So you want me to pull up a phone? Because I was like,
Yo se lo saqué la otra.
I was like, oh my God, rolling. Okay, presto, rolling freaking. ¿Qué te
Ensalada,
queso,
pico de
ensalada,
gallo,
el pico de gallo.
Sí, sí. No beans.
Really? Estúpida, Y no hay un policía para darle un ticket.
Ay, Dios mío. Pues le hubiera puesto en la cámara.
Okay, Preston. You U-turn. Illegal U-turn.
You know, they try not to have a lot of contact with people.
Fucking guy, man. ¿Cómo se me pegó?
I'm not saying you don't like me going over there.
Okay, Presto.
I'm saying that you prefer me to stay home.
Probably just put 5 bucks. Okay, Presto. Number, like, who knows what they know about. They'll probably threaten him, look, if you don't tell us where he lives. You know, they got their ways.
Yeah. That's why I'm like, man, I really love living in that precinct building.
Okay, Presto. Okay, Presto. Okay, Presto.